Try entering these coordinates into Google Earth. You will see something weird, not entirely true, but also not entirely fake. You look at it and think, is this true or is my mind playing tricks at me? So what you're experiencing actually has a name, pareidolia. See, the brain has a tendency to see familiar patterns, faces, bodies, shapes. This is why we see faces in clouds and animals in rock formations. So before we jump into any conclusions, ask yourself a simple question. What exactly are we looking at? So to understand this image, we need first to understand how Google Earth works. Say you type Cape Town onto the search bar. So it is happening behind the curtain. Google is using the Global Geographical Database to match the name Cape Town to its longitude, latitude, which is going to give us the precise location. So once that is done, Google doesn't just load one huge image. It loads tiles that come from different servers with different resolutions. So what happens as you zoom in, we load the higher resolution tiles. But images alone do not create depth. For this, we need elevation data, some of which come from radar missions, and in some regions, like cities, we use LiDAR. By firing millions of laser pulses, we are able to determine the height with extreme precision. This creates a three-dimensional map of the landscape called a point cloud. But LiDAR is not everywhere, especially in remote or inaccessible areas. Google is forced to make a best guess on the elevation using stereo imagery. This means that the software makes guesses about how the terrain rises and falls. But as you might have already seen, this is what makes images look weird. Finally, your device renders everything in real time. What this means is we are not just displaying an image, but we are constantly recreating a 3D world in real time. Something interesting as well is Google allows us to look back in time. Using various data providers such as Sentinel and Planet, we are able to look back and see how the landscape has changed. So back to our mystery location. We now know that the image we are looking at is a collection of best guesses about light, height, and time. But when you compare this location with other data providers, we find that the image is the same. So is this an actual mystery? Let us know down in the comments.